Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off game mode on your Windows 11 computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the start button, and you want to go ahead and select where it says settings. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to select on the left side where it says gaming. And then on the right side, select game mode. You can search for this as well in the search menu. And you see where it says game mode is currently on. Click inside the oval one time to turn it to the off position. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.